Hey guys, Nick here. Today I'll show you how you can create better learning content more consistently. Whether your goal is to improve your learning skills or to simply enjoy the process, creating a schedule for yourself is a great way to keep you practicing and creating. In this video, you will learn how to plan and schedule your content to help you create more consistently. We will be using the Lettering Creators Kit, specifically the weekly content planner, planner stickers, lettering prompt cards, and the story idea checklist. The first item is the blank weekly content calendar. This is an A5 planner to jumpstart your new lettering habit or routine. This 8-week planner is designed to make it less intimidating to plan your content creation. The pages are padded on one side, easy to tear off if you prefer to separate the pages. Item number 2, planner stickers. There are 3 different types of stickers in this pack. The artwork sticker to schedule when you'll share your work, the teaser sticker to schedule when you'll tease your audience with a sneak peek of your artwork, the story post sticker to schedule when you'll connect with your audience by asking them a question on your stories. This sticker pack comes in different colors because scheduling your content should be fun and colorful. This is the lettering prompt cards. It is a deck of 35 unique prompts with layout guide and caption writing guide. Choosing quotes and layout is now as easy as 1, 2, 3. Each kit has a different theme of quotes to choose from. The last item is a story idea checklist. You have a list of engaging story prompts to choose from to start a conversation with your audience and build strong connections with them. Now, let me show you how you can use these items. Step number 1, start labeling. We start by labeling the blank weekly content calendar. We write the week number here. We start with 1. Next, we write the date range for the week, October 24 to 30. Lastly, we add the dates of each day, 24, 25, 26, all the way to 30. And we're done. Step number 2 is to plan your week. Decide how many artworks, teasers, and stories you want to post for the week. Let's say 2 artworks on Monday and Friday, a teaser the day before each artwork, and 3 story posts on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. You can choose to do more or less. Step number 3 is to add your stickers. Now to the fun part. Let's take 2 artwork stickers in different colors and add them to Monday and Friday. Let's also take 2 teaser stickers, same colors with the artwork sticker, and add them to Sunday and Thursday. Now for the story post, 3 stickers on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The week is starting to look exciting with these stickers. Step number 4, write your prompts. We'll use the space to write the prompts for our artwork and story posts. I selected 2 quotes from the lettering prompt cards, and I'll write the quote beside the artwork stickers. I'll also include a checkbox and the time when I plan on posting the artworks. Next, I'll pick 3 story prompts from the story idea checklist and write them beside the story stickers. I'll also include a checkbox and time for this. Lastly, I'll add a checkbox and the time beside the stickers too. And we are done for the first week. So here is how my first week of posting will look like. Repeat the process for the following weeks. You can fill all 8 weeks at once or take 1 or 2 weeks at a time and adjust and plan as you go. Creating and practicing more consistently will definitely enhance your learning skills. So try making it a habit to plan your content ahead of time, not just to remember to create, but to make the process easier and more enjoyable for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you want to purchase the Lettering Creators Kit, the links are in the description below. You have 3 unique themes to choose from. The next video is about mixing and matching lettering style combinations. I'll see you in the next one.